3, 2, 1, go. In autonomous, all 4 robots moving, and that's what you want to see. The broken gears, a swing and a miss on getting that mobile goal. Looks like nobody got the mobile goals. We'll see. Looks like we have a tie. Tie auto. Let's go to driver in 3, 2, 1, go. All things are equal now. Nobody scored points in autonomous, so no bonus. Quickly, our teams go to work here in this match. Too easy. Just showing how easy it really is. They pick up a third cone. Oh, a swing and a miss on that one, but they have the mobile goal in their possession, looking to go score that 6-1, 6-0-1A. Our OpenTech Warriors team, they have a mobile goal as well, starting to load from the driver's station, 1 cone at a time, being placed by the driver. 4 cones, a 5th coming in. Blue did score their mobile goal. They got 3 stacked high, and thus they have the lead in the 20-point zone. And we're under 1 minute, really at 50 seconds right now. 6000Z looking to start making their stack as well. Their partner, the 1028Z team. Too easy. Doing a great job. 4 stacked high on their mobile goal, making their way over to the stationary goal. We got 30 seconds remaining. Still a pretty close match. 26-18 real-time score. Red with the massive score there. And their partner coming in hot to the 20-point zone. That is going to swing the match. Blue has 15 seconds to answer. Let's see if they can do it. Too easy. They load it in. It's in the 5-point zone. Pushing it over. Their partner, 6008Z, trying to score at the last second. 2, 1, and the stack goes down. So close.